So good day everyone. Today I'll be explaining the drying process. So we have the given first if the original product is 60%, the final product is 5%. So first is we need to divide to multiply it by 100. So 0.6 times 100 that will give you 60 pounds. Next is WF is 100 minus 60 equals to 40 pounds. And then 90% is equal to dry solid. So 0.85 times the WF equals to 40. So since we have already the value of 40 pounds, so we need to only put the value. So WF is equals to 42.111 pounds. I mean 42.11 pounds. And insert the value with 0.15 times 42.11 equals to 0.11. That will result in 57.89 pounds. And then for A, 57.4 pounds divided by 100, that is equals to 0.579 H2 per pound. And B, 57.1 pounds over 42.11 pounds will result in 1.75 pounds. And C, 57.59 divided by 40 is 1.447. That is all.